Emma, I have been thinking about something all day. I feel tired from the same routine, and I think we really need a break.
I was thinking about the same thing. We have been working too much and not spending enough time together.
Exactly. I want us to go somewhere new, somewhere we can relax and also explore.
That sounds perfect. What kind of place do you have in mind? A big city or something closer to nature?
I think a mix would be ideal. A place where we can walk around the city during the day and enjoy nature in the evening.
I like that idea. Maybe somewhere with mountains or a nice view.
Yes, and good food too. I want to try something new, not just the usual meals.
Then we should start looking for destinations together. We can compare a few options.
Let me open my laptop. We can check flights and hotels at the same time.
Good idea. Also, we should think about the budget so we do not spend too much.
You are right. Let's plan it properly so we can enjoy without worrying.
I am already excited. It feels good to plan something like this together.
Me too. This trip might be exactly what we need right now.
This destination looks really nice. The photos show beautiful streets and mountains nearby.
Yes, and the tickets are not too expensive. I think this might be the right choice.
Wait, let's check the details carefully. What about baggage and time of departure?
The flight is early in the morning, which means we need to wake up very early.
That might be difficult, but it also means we will have more time when we arrive.
True, and baggage is included, so we do not need to pay extra.
That is good. I do not want to worry about extra fees at the airport.
Should we book it now, or do you want to think a bit more?
I think we should book it now before the price changes.
All right, I am entering our details. Please check if everything is correct.
Yes, the names are correct. Make sure the dates are right as well.
Everything looks good. I am confirming the booking now.
That is it. We are really going.
Yes, we are officially traveling.
I cannot believe it. I am so excited already. Packing is always the hardest part for me. I never know what to take and what to leave.
I have the same problem. I either take too much or forget something important.
Let's do it step by step. First, we pack the essentials like documents and basic clothes.
Good idea. I will put the passports and tickets in a safe place.
Do not forget chargers and important items. We will definitely need them.
Yes, I almost forgot about that.
Also, think about the weather. We should check the forecast before packing.
Let me check. It looks like it will be warm during the day and cooler in the evening.
Then we need light clothes and 1 or 2 warm layers.
I will pack comfortable shoes as well. We will probably walk a lot.
That is true. I want to explore as much as possible.
Are you almost ready?
Almost, but I feel like I am forgetting something.
That always happens. We can double check everything before we leave.
Yes, that will make me feel more confident. Alex, I think we should leave now. I do not want to be late for our flight.
Relax, we still have time. The airport is not that far from here.
That is exactly what people say before they miss their flight.
All right, you are right. Let's go now, so you can feel calm.
Thank you. I just do not like rushing at the last moment.
Me neither, but sometimes I underestimate the time.
That is why I always remind you.
And I appreciate that. It keeps us on track.
Do you have the passports and tickets?
Yes, I checked twice before leaving.
Good, let's go. I am excited, but also a little nervous.
That is normal. Every trip starts like this.
The line is longer than I expected. I hope it moves quickly.
It will be fine. We came early enough.
I still feel a bit anxious when I see long lines.
Try to relax. Everything is under control.
Next, please.
Hello, here are our passports and tickets.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Do you have any baggage to check in?
Yes, we have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Is the weight okay?
Yes, it is within the limit. You are all set.
That was easier than I thought.
See, no need to worry so much.
I always feel a bit uncomfortable at security checks.
Just follow the instructions and everything will be fine. Please place your bags in the scanner and remove any electronics.
Do I need to take out my phone as well?
Yes, please place it separately. I will go first so you can see what to do.
Thank you. That helps me feel more relaxed.
Everything is simple. Just stay calm.
All right, I am ready.
You can proceed.
That was not as stressful as I expected.
Sometimes our imagination makes things worse.
Finally, we can sit down and relax a little.
Yes, this is the calm part before the flight.
I like watching people at the airport. Everyone has a different story.
That is true. Some are excited, some are tired, and some look nervous.
Like me earlier.
You look much calmer now.
Yes, because everything is going smoothly.
Soon we will be on the plane.
I cannot wait to see the new place.
It is going to be a great trip.
This is exciting. I always enjoy the moment when the plane starts moving.
I like it too, but I still feel a little nervous during takeoff.
That is normal. Just relax and enjoy the experience.
Please fasten your seatbelts. We are preparing for takeoff.
Here we go.
Just look outside. It helps you stay calm.
You are right. The view is already beautiful.
Imagine how it will look from above.
I am starting to feel better now.
See? Everything is fine. We finally arrived. I feel both excited and a little tired at the same time.
Yes, the flight was long, but it was worth it. This place already feels different.
Look at the airport. Everything looks so clean and organized.
Let's follow the signs for passport control. We should not waste time here.
I hope everything goes smoothly.
Welcome. Please show your passports. Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
We are here for tourism, just a short vacation.
How long will you stay?
About 5 days.
All right. Everything is fine. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
That was easier than I expected.
Yes, now the real journey begins.
Alex, I do not see our suitcase. I think something is wrong.
Wait, maybe it is still coming. Let's give it a few more minutes.
Everyone else already took their luggage. I am starting to worry.
Okay, let's stay calm and ask for help. Excuse me, our suitcase did not arrive. What should we do?
I understand. Please give me your baggage claim ticket.
Here it is. We checked it in before the flight.
Let me check the system. It looks like your luggage is delayed.
Delayed? What does that mean?
It will arrive on the next flight and be delivered to your hotel.
That is inconvenient, but at least it is not lost.
Yes, but we do not have our clothes now.
You can buy basic items, and the airline will compensate some expenses.
Thank you for your help.
I hope it arrives soon.
Let's take a taxi to the hotel. We need to rest after all this.
Yes, and maybe buy some basic things on the way.
Excuse me, can you take us to this hotel?
Yes, please get in.
How long will it take to get there?
Around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
That sounds fine.
The city looks beautiful, even from the car.
Yes, I already like the atmosphere here.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, and we are very excited to explore.
You chose a good place for your vacation.
Hello, we have a reservation under the name Alex.
Let me check. I am sorry, but I cannot find your booking.
What do you mean? We confirmed it before the trip.
Please check again. It should be there.
I see your name now, but there seems to be an issue with the system.
That is not a good start.
Is there any available room for tonight?
Yes, we have one room available. I will fix the problem and give it to you.
Thank you. We were really worried for a moment.
Yes, today has been full of surprises.
Everything is ready now. Here is your key.
Finally, we can rest. Today was not perfect, but it was real. We had problems, but we solved them together.
Yes, at first everything felt difficult, but now it feels like part of the experience.
Traveling is not only about beautiful places, it is also about unexpected moments.
And how you react to them, that is what really matters.
We lost time, we worried, but we stayed calm and helped each other.
That made everything easier.
I think this trip taught us something important.
Yes, not everything needs to be perfect to be meaningful.
Sometimes the difficult moments become the best memories.
And they make us stronger.
I am glad we did this together.
Me too. I would do it again without hesitation.